Okay, I'm gonna do a super fast YouTube bike check because I only have a cell phone. Okay, I got Shadow Conspiracy Forks, Shadow Attack Stem, S&M Slam Bars, Worn Out Edwin Grips, Good Bar Ends, Metal, Animal Pivotal Seat Post, The Stripe, Shadow Seat Post Clamp, I think an Animal Seat Post, some random chain, Eastern Medusa Sprocket, Demolition Cranks 175s, Colony pedals. I don't know, I like them for all the plastic ones. I go up to about a pair a month, but you know, they're bomb. Um, Alienation Runaway Rear Ram, super light. Some cheap bell tire, left-hand drive. Need to tighten my spokes. Again, the Shadow Raptor complete front wheel. I don't know, I bought it. It's like 180 bucks. Yeah, that's pretty much my bike pick.